Hello and welcome. Today I'll show you how to factoring these trinomials. 12x squared plus 17x plus 6. That means first we have to do simply here is 12, here is 6. So 12 into 6 equal to 72, right? So here is 17. When we will multiply 12 into 6, we get 72. So first you have to do like 72 means 8 into 9 equal to 72. And when you will add this one, 8 plus 9 equal to 17. So I got it 72. When we multiply, when we add, that means same number. When we add, then we get 17. If another case, suppose 12 into 6, when you will multiply, that means get 72, and when we will add this one, 12 plus 6, that means 18. That is wrong because we won't get 18. So when you will multiply, then should get 72. That means both this one, and when you add that number, then you should get 17. That means coefficient of x. I think it's clear, right? So we write 12x squared, okay, plus 17 means this one, 8 plus 9. That means we can write 8x plus 9x plus of 17x, then plus 6. Okay, try to understand what is common from this one and this one and this both one and this both. So I will make easy if anyone never understand. So 3 or 4, 4 into 3x square we can write, okay, or you can also write x into x if you want to understand. So I will do, you can write also x into x. Dot means into, that means multiplication symbol. So we expand this one into this one, okay. So add x, we can write 4 into 2x, then here 3 into 3x, okay, plus 2 into 3, that means 6. Here is the 9x, here is the, you can say 3 into 2 6, that is 6. 3 into 3 9, 4 into 2 8, 4 into 3 12, x into x, x square. Okay, we got it. So in both, what is the common? There is the common 4 4, okay, and x x. So 4x into what is remaining, 3x plus 4x will be common, so here will be 3x plus 2, then here is the plus. Now we can write, here is the common 3 and 3 only, so 3 will be common, so we can write 3x plus 2. Now in both this one and this one, what is the common? 3x plus 2 and 3x plus 2 is the common. So we can write 3x plus 2 is the common, and what is remaining? 4x plus 3. 4x plus 3. This is the after the factorization we got this answer. So thank you. I will give you next question. Please solve this one. 6x square minus 5x minus 4. You have to solve this one minus minus only. So you have to common with same method. Please do it and comment. Thank you.